Here in Florida, we always have these cracks in our ceilings in the garages, and we're always wondering why is it happening, what causes it. Well, for one thing, these shift over time. They have nails in these edges when they put the drywall in on the production of the home, and they come loose after a while from, there's an attic access right here, from the vibration of the trusses and the negative pressures. So we're here to fix these tape seams. We're gonna pull them out, we're gonna put screws in it to secure it, we're gonna finish it, texture it, and match it in like it wasn't even there. So we got our 5-minute mud on. We did 2 coats, and we're just trying to keep it inside this little tape seam. And now we're wet sanding this outer edge that we can get the edges off. That way we can keep the texture inside of here. And what we're gonna do is we have a special way of doing it. So I'll show you that next. This is called finger lace, and the reason we do this, yeah, it takes a little longer, it's a little tedious, but when you fix these tape seams, if you use a hopper, at leaves a halo around it. You'll see every tape seam every single time. So yeah, it takes a little bit longer, but it's worth it, and we charge for it. So we just want to match it in and make it look like it wasn't even there. So that's the reason we do the finger leaves. Alright, so we knock it down after, and then we take a sponge and some water out of it. And we want to go around this, get all these little dots off on the outer edges. Kind of feather it in a little bit. Alright, so that concludes our video for today on how to repair drywall tape seams in your ceiling. We ripped it out, the cracked tape seam, we put screws in to make sure it's secured to the trusses. Then we put mesh tape on it, finished it out, and then we did our finger lace to match the knockdown perfectly. As I said, it leaves a halo when you do it with a hopper. It takes a little bit more time, but it's worth it. I hope it was beneficial. If you liked our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring that bell. That way you don't miss a notification on how to do drywall.